Myself, Vinod. I am Director Marketing for Hisense BSL4. I would like to introduce a unique product which is useful from your home purpose, your office purpose, your school purpose, for all the purposes of your sanitization. Home sanitization, school sanitization, office sanitization, or your IT office sanitization, personal hygiene. For all purposes, this Hisense BSL4 is only one and only solution. See, this Hisense BSL4 is made with a unique technology used with nano silver, nano zinc, encapsulated with biopolymers. It is a proprietary solution with us. It is not made for Corona specifically. There are many products are was introduced after Corona, but this product is with us from the year almost 2016. And many pharmaceutical companies are using for their biofilm issues and all these things. And our product is completely a non-chemical product. It is a non-corrosive. If you take hypochlorites and all these things, is a corrosive materials, and whereas our product is a non-corrosive. And most importantly, the sanitizers, alcohol sanitizers and all these things, what we are using is a flammable sanitizers. And BSL4 can be used as a sanitizer, which is a non-flammable sanitizer. And also, see, there are all the chemical related sanitizers or disinfectants may cause to carcinogenic or other issues, and our product is non-carcinogenic, and complete clinical trials are done in NABL accredited laboratories, and it is also can be used on the just born children's washing purpose and all these things. So this already our product are using by Indian Airlines, and there are Nagarjuna Constructions, AP Genco, AP Transco, and there are other colleges are using our products, and hospitals, diagnostics, AP Siddhartha laboratories, and COVID laboratories are using our product as a disinfectant purpose. So especially, specifically the hotel industries and schools. See, for example, if the children wanted to use a sanitizer, if the parents wanted to send the children to the school with an alcohol sanitizer can be may go to their eyes and all these things. Our product is even tested. It is a non-irritant to eye, non-irritant to skin, and non-irritant to inhalation purpose and all these things. So we have conducted all these clinical trials in the NABL accredited laboratories. So it is a completely non-irritant one. You can, the children, for UKG children, LKG children can also use our BSL product as a sanitizer for them. And it is a very cost-effective product. So the another thing, see, if it is in hotel industry purpose, majorly the customer look at, if the customer come into any of your room, they basically look at is the bed is sanitized properly or not. See, might be at the entrance side, it might be there is a sanitizers and all these things are provided. But while a customer is sleeping on the bed sheet is sanitized properly or not. So if BSL4 is used as in the laundry, it is used as a BSL4 as a final range. If the BSL4 is used, you can expect a sterilized clothing. So that kind of confidence you can give it to your customer who is coming to the hotels. Thank you very much.